Hi, I am Jazz. We are delighted that you've chosen to take in pure jazz at the Pavilion on Rodney Bay on Tuesday, May 6th, and again, on Thursday, May 8th. 2 unforgettable nights of pure musical bliss in an intimate setting. To ensure your experience is seamless, a park and ride facility has been arranged exclusively at Lamar Waterfront along the Rodney Bay Strip, with a paid shuttle service to and from the Pavilion on Rodney Bay. Shuttle tickets will be available for purchase at Lamar Waterfront before departure. Motorists, please note. Only vehicles with an approved vehicle access pass will be allowed past the checkpoint and into the venue area. Unauthorized vehicles will not be granted access. Shuttle drop-off and pickup will occur at the checkpoint just outside the venue. At the end of the event, return to this location to board the shuttle back to Lamar Waterfront. For motorists exiting the ramp on Radway Beach, turn left onto Radway Beach Avenue. Take your first right onto Palm Drive. Stay right on Flamboyant Drive to the junction where Flamboyant Drive meets Radway Beach Avenue. Turn left onto Radway Beach Avenue. At the fork, veer right on Radway Beach Avenue along the Starfish Hotel. Continue along this route to the roundabout next to Carleon Court at the junction of Radway Beach Avenue and the Gros-Islet Highway. Exit left or right onto Gros-Islet Highway. Do get home safely. We look forward to welcoming you on May 6th and 8th at the Pavilion on Rodney Bay for pure jazz. And remember, enjoy yourself responsibly.